What's your name and company name, and what business do you do?
Yeah, so my name is Indra Kumar Singh, and the company name is Tshirts Private Limited, and basically we print T-shirts, custom T-shirts.
So which DTF machine you have purchased?
Yeah, so we have purchased ST300.
Okay.
Yeah, from Axis.
So what problems were you facing? So you needed this machine.
So earlier we were using L1800, and we were facing, especially with the white ink, the ink were getting clogged, and due to that we were not able to print. We started facing like white prints not getting printed, and in fact the print head has like we have to replace the print head as well. So we replaced the print head, and even after that as well we were facing lots of problem with the printing. So we thought of that, since L1800 is more of a forceful modified of a DTF printer, right?
Okay.
So in since like that, it has not been designed to be print for DTF, and after searching for for a proper or a good DTF printer, I found that these ST300 and the ST600, these are the two printers, and I found a lot of videos from your Axis company, Axis Integra, where they are explaining about the printers, and also a lot of people's, like, especially there were lots of customer review feedbacks, and while going through that they were having also a good experience from Axis. That's why I chose to purchase through Axis.
Okay. So would you like to recommend Axis to others?
Yeah, definitely, and I'll be also looking for more support from Axis whenever I face any issues, challenges in future. Then definitely I'll be looking support from Axis.